how to log out COD. So if you want to log out of your COD, then first of all open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for COD. And here you will have this callofduty.com. Click on that. Now if you want to log out, then here on the upper right corner you will have this profile info option. Click on that profile info, and here you will have 4 options. So if you want to sign out of your account, then here you will have this sign out. Simply click on that sign out, and that's it. That's how you sign out of your Call of Duty or COD account. And if you want to again sign in or log in, then you can simply click on login and then you can log into your account. That's it. That's how you log out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.